Hi there, in this video we are going to discuss circle. Let's look at the learning outcome first. At the end of this lesson, students should be able to determine the equation of a circle. Second one, determine the center and radius of a circle. A simple introduction. So the important keywords here is the radius. So radius is a line segment that extends from the center to the circumference. Second one is the diameter. Okay, so you can see that segment AB is the diameter when it is passed through the center C. The third terms is the chord. So the chord will divide our circle into two segments, which is major segment and minor segment. Next, the terms tangent. The tangent is actually a line that touches the circle at only one point. So you can see the tangent as in the diagram. Okay. So now let's proceed to the equation of a circle. There's two types of equation of the circle. First, we have the standard equation. The standard equation is x minus h square plus y minus k square equals to r square. H and k we can get from the center C, and r is the radius. The second equation of the circle is general equation. We get the general equation by expanding the standard equation. So I'm going to highlight the general equation. What can we get from the general equation is the center C will given by negative g, negative f, and the radius we can calculate from square root of g square plus f square minus c. So basically, to change the standard equation to the general equation, we just need to expand. And if you have general equation and you wish to convert to standard equation, you just need to do the completing the square process. Next, method to solve. So to find the equation of circle, if given to you the radius and the center, we just use the standard equation formula. Substitute everything into the standard equation formula. How about if this circle passing through 2 points where the diameter is given? So what we need to do is we substitute 2 points into our general equation and substitute another point into the equation of diameter. Then you need to solve all the equation simultaneously. Okay, next, the third case, if this circle passing through 3 points, what we need to do is we need to substitute all 3 points into our general equation and then solve it simultaneously. The fourth case, if given to us the center and the tangent, first what we need to do is we use the standard equation formula and then we need to find the r using the shortest distance formula, which is r equals to the modulus of AH plus BK plus C divided by the square root of A square plus B square. So let's take a look at the examples. Example 8. Find the center and radius of the circle with the equation x minus 3 square plus y minus 5 square equals to 36. Basically, what we are going to do is we are going to compare to the standard equation of circle, which is x minus h square plus y minus k square equals to r square. So the center C will be given by hk, so it is equals to 3, 5, and obviously r equals to the square root of 36, which is equals to 6. Let's proceed to example 9. In example 9, the question asks us to find the center and radius of the circle with the equation 2x square plus 2y square minus 20x minus 8y minus 14 equal to 0. We need to simplify this equation first. So we are going to have x square plus y square minus 10x minus 4y minus 7 equal to 0. So we are going to compare to the general equation of circle, which is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So we can see that 2g equals to minus 10 and g equals to minus 5. 2f equals to negative 4 and f equals to negative 2. C equals to negative 7. The center C will be given by negative G, negative F. So we are going to have 5, 2 as the center. And for the radius, we have to use the formula G square plus F square minus C square root. Substitute into the formula negative 5 square plus negative 2 square minus negative 7 square root. Calculate it, we are going to get radius equals to 6. Example 10. Find the equation of the circle which passes through point A 13, point B negative 1, 1 and has its diameter on the line x plus 2y equal to 1. We are going to use the general equation to solve this question. So the general equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. We will get first equation from point A, so write at point A, coordinate 1, 3, substitute into the equation, we'll get 1 square plus 3 square plus 2g in bracket 1 plus 2f in bracket 3 plus c equal to 0. So our first equation will be 2g plus 6f plus c equals to -10. So we label it as first equation. Second equation we'll get from point B. So at point B, coordinate -1, 1. Substitute into the general equation, -1 square plus 1 square plus 2g in bracket -1 plus 2f in bracket 1 plus c equal to 0. So the equation will be -2g plus 2f plus c equals to -2. Label it as equation 2. So we have 3 unknown, means we need another equation. Okay, our third equation will be the center. Okay, we let it as -g, -f. Okay, lies on line x plus 2y equals to 1. Okay, we substitute the value, so we'll get -g plus 2 -f equals to 1. So we have -g minus 2f equals to 1. So g equals to -2f minus 1. So this is our third equation. So let's solve simultaneously. Okay, so 1 minus 2. We will get 4g plus 4f equals to -8. Okay, we know that our g is -2f minus 1, so substitute here. 4 -2f minus 1 plus 4f equals to -8. Expand, we'll get -8f minus 4 plus 4f equals to -8. Okay, -4f equals to -4, then f equals to 1. So we use f equals to 1, substitute into equation 3. So we will get g equals to -2 in bracket 1 minus 1. So here we get G equals to minus 3. Now use both G equal to minus 3 and F equal to 1. Let's substitute into equation 1. So we will have 2 minus 3 plus 6 in bracket 1 plus C equals to negative 10. So therefore we get C equals to negative 10. We have all the value of these three unknown. So let's just substitute into the general equation that we have. So x square plus y square plus 2 negative 3x plus 2 in bracket 1 y plus negative 10 equal to 0. So let's simplify it a bit. So x square plus y square minus 6x plus 2y minus 10 equal to 0. So I think we already get the answer, okay, which is the equation for circle. Example 11. Find the equation of the circle having center 1, 2 and touch the line 2x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. So let's sketch. So we have a circle with center C, coordinate 1, 2, and then there's a line touch this circle. The equation is 2x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. If we connect the touching point with the center, you can see that there your radius R. So first what we have to do is we are going to compare 2x plus y plus 2 equal to 0 to equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So we'll get a equals to 2, b equals to 1 and c equals to 2. So from the diagram we can see that R is actually the shortest distance. From our center 1, 2 to the line 2x plus y plus 2 equal to 0. So it means we will use the formula for shortest distance, which is R equals to AH plus BK plus C divided by the square root of A square plus B square. We already have the value of A, B and C, but we didn't have H and K yet, but H and K is actually, you can get from the value center 1, 2. Obviously, h equals to 1 and k equals to 2. So now, let's substitute the value. So the modulus of 2 multiplied to 1 plus 1 multiplied to 2 plus c equals to 2 divided by square root of 2 square plus 1 square. Calculate the value, so we get 6/5. It is easier for us to use the standard equation for the circle. Just the standard equation is x minus h square plus y minus k square equals to r square. Substitute everything. X minus 1 square plus y minus 2 square equals to 6/5 square. Expand a bit, so we get x minus 1 square plus y minus 2 square equals to 36/5. You can leave your answer in standard equation, or if you wish to change it into general equation, you can just expand the x minus 1 square and also y minus 2 square part. Okay, but I'm going to stop right here. Example 12. Find the equation of the circle which passes through point A 18, point B negative 6 1 and C negative 2 negative 1. So what we are going to do is we are going to substitute all these 3 points into general equation. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So point A first. So at point A, coordinate is 18, 1 square plus 8 square plus 2g in bracket 1 plus 2f in bracket 8 plus c equal to 0. So we will have 2g plus 16f plus c equals to negative 65. So this is our first equation. Second equation at point B. The coordinate is negative 6, 1. Negative 6 square plus 1 square plus 2g in bracket negative 6 plus 2f in brackets 1 plus c equal to 0. So we will have negative 12g plus 2f plus c equals to negative 37 as our second equation. For our third equation, we will use point C. At point C, The coordinate is -2, -1. So we substitute into the general equation. We will get -2 square plus -1 square plus 2g in bracket -2 plus 2f in bracket -1 plus c equal to 0. So -4g minus 2f plus c equals to -5. So this is our third equation. So now we have three equations. Let's do the simultaneous equation solving. So let's start with equation 1 minus equation 2. So we're supposed to get 14g plus 14f equals to -28. Simplify a bit, we will get g plus f equals to -2. Let's just name it as equation 4. For next step, let's do equation 3 minus to equation 2. So we get 8g minus 4f equals to 32. So f equals to 2g minus 8. We substitute this into equation 4. So g plus 2g minus 8 equals to -2. 3g equals to 6. Then g equals to 2. Now we get the value of g. So let's find the value of f. So f equals to 2 minus 8 equals to -4. Substitute both into equation 3. So we will get -4 multiplied to 2 minus 2 multiplied to -4 plus c equals to -5. So therefore we get c equals to -5. We have now the value of g, f and c. So let's substitute into the general equation. So x squared plus y squared plus 2 in bracket 2x plus 2 in bracket -4y plus -5 equal to 0. So therefore our equation is x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 8y minus 5 equal to 0. So finally we get the answer. Done.